For this 5G Summit, we would like to talk about IEC Edge software stack on ARM.
IEC represents Integrated Edge Cloud, which is a platform that enables new functionalities and business models on the network edge. It targets telco applications and media deployment of edge cloud. In this release, it is based on Kubernetes and Calico, and the installation is automated with the foundation building and the focus on CBA use case. The edge use cases which IEC want to address includes the first one is telco enterprise edge cloud, for example, the MAC or branch office data centers. The second one are the telco enterprise remote edge locations, which is the edge platform with limited resources, for example, SD-WAN or LT gateway. ARM developed a series of high-performance CPUs for edge computing and cloud computing, which are from A72 to NeoVerse N1, and then to NeoVerse N2, which are with increased performance and relatively very high power efficiency, as it is always been.
Here is a slide to introduce the IEC reference stack. For IEC reference, we utilize all the most mature networking operating system and hardware support. For example, we use the Linux system networking and with eBPF support. For the infra orchestration and installer, we use Kubernetes or Compass Inferior installer, this Docker. Here is the IEC cluster deployed from a Inferior installer. You can see the 3 virtual machines we deployed. You can see all the 3 Kubernetes nodes. This is the architecture we deployed. We would like to deploy an NGX application to do the verification for the cluster. You can see it works well. Now we deploy the CBA cluster. Now we can see a lot of CBA pods in the IEC cluster. Now we can verify its work from and GUI for the CBA interface. Here we see all the CBA cluster in the information for all the devices and components for the CBA. Now we created all devices here to verify our work. We can delete these devices after the creation. That's all for our IEC ARM Edge reference cluster. Thank you all. Thank you very much.